friends! Today we will learn the names of birds with long beaks. A bird's beak or bill is an important part of their anatomy. Today I will tell you about the birds which have the longest beaks in the world. So let's start. Australian pelican. The Australian pelican is a large bird that can be found throughout Australia. Its body length is from 60 to 74 inches. Its beak length is 15 to 17 inches. Shoebill. The shoebill is a large bird that can be found in the swamps and marshes of Africa. Its body length is from 43 to 60 inches. Its beak length is 7.4 to 9.4 inches. Great hornbill. The great hornbill is a large bird that can be found in the forest of Southeast Asia. Its body length is from 36 to 48 inches. Keel-billed toucan. The keel-billed toucan is another bird with an impressively long beak. Its body length is from 19 to 20 inches. Its beak length is 6 to 8 inches. African jacana. This bird is found in wetlands across Africa. Its body length is from 9 to 12 inches. Its beak length is 1.5 to 2 inches. Greater bird of paradise. This bird is found in the forest of New Guinea. Its body length is from 14 to 17 inches. Its beak length is 1 till 1.5 inches. Sword-billed hummingbird. This South American bird has a beak that is almost as long as its body. Its body length is from 5 to 5.5 inches. Its beak length is 4 inches. Goliath heron. The Goliath heron is a large bird that can be found in wetlands of Africa. Its body length is from 47 to 60 inches. Its beak length is 9.4 inches. Marabou stork. The marabou stork is a large bird that can be found in Africa. Its body length is from 47 to 51 inches. Far eastern curlew. The far eastern curlew is a large bird that can be found in the wetlands of Asia. Its body length is from 24 to 26 inches. Its beak length is 6 till 9 inches. So friends, I hope you like this video. Bye bye.